Hello, what's up, good people? How are you doing? So, in this video, we are talking about a topic on how to get hold of your finances. Yes, how do you get hold of your finances? No matter whatever money that you are earning at a job, at some point you need to know how do you get hold of your finances. We are talking about financial management. Yes, this is critical because that's the thing that's gonna lead you to financial freedom. Financial management is very important in your career, in your success, in your life journey. So let's get started. For you to be able to manage your finance, the first thing that you need to know is to know the costs. How much do you spend on what are the things that are important to you? If you have to pay the rentals, know that my monthly rentals are this, and I really need to have this much. So when you know all the costs that you want or the cost that you need to spend on your thing, now you start to think about the money that you will need for you to live the life that you actually want. So in other words, we say you now set a higher bar. So yeah, how do we avoid overspending? Because once you get that salary or once you get that money that you're working for, there is always that feel of overspending, you see. So when you're just getting started, it might seem difficult for you when you are starting at your first time, because the finances will be low, so you will not be having enough to spend on what you want. So start by what you can afford. While you are building the life that you want, you start small, you start where you are, and then let's say you are earning about 10,000 US dollars monthly, right? Yes, 10,000, and you are living at a place that you're paying 8,000 or 7,000. It doesn't really make a lot of sense. Find a place that you'll be paying less money so that you remain with some money that you will invest for your future success, for your future thing. Find something that you invest your money. So what am I talking about? Find something that you put your money there, so that that money is going to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. That's what we call investment. You understand? Yes, that's investment. Don't always think about spending. No, also think about investing your money. Invest your money in some things that gives you profits. Yeah, when we're talking about, let me give you an example of an asset and a liability. An asset is something that you put money into your pocket, and a liability is something that put money out of your pocket. So think about investing your money or spending your money on things that will put more and more money into your pocket, so that you remain with a lot of money at the end. Because there's little money that you are investing, it's growing and growing. Yeah, it might be in properties, even a car. If you use it as a liability, it will if you have a car, for example, and then you are using it for your personal life, because you are putting money out of your pocket, you are paying the fuel and everything, is a liability. But if you are using it for Uber, right now we're talking about an asset, because at the end of the month your car is bringing money into your pocket. So I think I have clarified on the things that you have to spend your money on. So a lot of people might be saying, I don't have that enough money, how can I get with the little that I have? Gentlemen, each and every cent that you have counts. Yes, there are some little things that you can do that you put your money there for you to have more money. Or that's when we can say you can save a little bit up to the extent that you want it, that you'll be able to afford to buy something, even as small as camera. Do you know some people are making a lot of money by hiring or renting out cameras to people? Yes, you just buy a small camera, you rent it out. At the end of the month, the people or the photo shoot studio that you'll be using your camera will be paying you money into. So I think, guys, with these little tricks that I have, you are going to benefit something. Yes, I'll be coming with some few and more tips on how to do things, on how to invest, how to grow businesses. Yeah, because I happen to be a business person, so I will be sharing with you some of these tips that we have learned. Yes, thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one.